Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, in this video we are going to solve worksheet number 10 by DOE. So subject is science, the date is 6 August 2021, class is 6. Here you have to write your name and here your class teacher's name, your teacher's name. So as you know the subject is science, today's topic is nutrients in foods. So let's read this. You might have heard your elders saying, "You are what you eat." Yes, they are right. Our body is a collection of the nutrients we eat to strengthen us. Food consists of following types of nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. So over here you can see, you must have heard your elders saying, "You are what you eat." So that means this is saying that we are what we eat. So you know our body is a collection of the nutrients we eat to strengthen us, and these nutrients are present in the food we eat. So there are 7 types of nutrients given here: carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. So let us learn about each of them one by one. So first one we see here is carbohydrates. But before that, we need to understand one thing, that is balanced diet. So this is a diet in which all the nutrients are in a sufficient amount, and this diet is really good for health. So see, here is carbohydrates. They are energy giving food which provide energy in the form of calories. Examples are banana and sugarcane. So carbohydrates are the fuel for our body. They are energy giving food, that means they give us energy. So in the form of calories. So they give us energy in the form of calories, and some examples are banana and sugarcane. Next is proteins. So what are proteins? They are needed in our diet for growth. Example, milk and chicken. So if we have to eat something which helps us in growing, that is protein. So they are helpful in our growth, and some examples are milk and chicken. So now we come to fats. They are energy rich food which are very important for the younger ones. Examples are cheese and fish. So over here you see fats are energy rich food like carbohydrates only. But friends, over here fats are doing one thing, they get stored behind the skin, and they help whenever you are injured. They help you in recovering. So over here they give you energy and are also very important for the small children. So examples are cheese and fish. Now let us move on to the next one, is vitamins. So you can see here vitamins, they are necessary for the body to function normally. Examples are egg and tomatoes. So vitamins are those minerals they are those nutrients which are helpful in functioning the body normally, or they are necessary for the body so that the body can function normally. Then we have minerals. They help in performing functions that are necessary for life. Next is fiber. They help in keeping our body clean as they are undigested and passes through our digestive system. So examples are carrots and peas. Okay, so if any roughage is stuck, they help in cleaning that out, as they are undigested and they cannot be digested. Next is water. Our body is made up of around 75% of water, which helps in maintaining our body temperature. So examples are cucumber and tomato. Now friends, let us come to some questions given here. So over here you can see there is a crossword given to us. So this crossword says, in the below given crossword puzzle, find 2 food items belonging to each of the 7 nutrients. Okay, so we have to find the food items which belong, 2 food items which belong to each of the 7 nutrients. So first one here you can see is watermelon. And out of watermelon we can make water also. Then next one we see here is, let's see, this is meat. Okay, this is also one of the food which is present in the 7 nutrients. Then here we have chicken, and then we have salt here, then rice, then we have orange, then you have nuts, fish, then we have over here, then we have milk. After this, you can see here we have tomatoes even. Then let's say here we have cheese. Then what do we see here is, you can see beans are here. Then we have peas. And can you find any other? Let's see. Um, No. So over here you can see we have filled the crosswords with the given nutrients with the food items which are present in the 7 nutrients. So let me show you what all nutrients we have seen here. Now if you see what are food items we have taken here. So if you can see the proteins column here, in the proteins one we have milk and chicken. So you can see chicken is over here and then milk here. Then fats we have cheese and fish. So you can see we have, and also one more is left, that is. So then we have, you can see over here cheese, and then in the down one we have fish. Then in vitamins you can see eggs here, then tomatoes. So tomatoes are also here. Now if we come down, so we have fiber which has what? Carrots and peas. So you can see we have found peas here, but we could not find carrots. Then next one is water. So from water we have made water from watermelon, and then we have found tomatoes even in the crossword. So this is how we have found the each two food items belonging to nutrients. Next one is match the following. So you see here is, let's quickly match it out. So you can see first one is water. So can't be digested energy giving foods, helps in growth, stabilizes body temperature or life-saving functions. So water is for stabilizes body temperature. Next we have our minerals. So minerals over here are helping in the life-saving functions. And next we have carbohydrates. So you all know carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Then proteins. So proteins helps in growth. Protein helps in growth. Then fiber is the last one, which is can't be digested. So you can see here we have solved the worksheet. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.